Passive income is great. However, we are accustomed to working hard for the money we make, and opportunities to make money with little effort are few and far between. Almost everyone is on board the current cryptocurrency craze, but not many people know that you do not have to buy and hold before you can make money from cryptocurrency. You can make money from crypto with as little as $0. Hello and welcome to the Wealth Whiz. My name is Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by mining Ethereum. Want to know what mining is? Want to know how to make money by mining ETH? Then stick around till the end of this video. If you have a gaming computer or a workstation at home with a modern graphics card, GPU, you could easily make several $100s per month mining Ethereum on the side when your computer is otherwise idle, depending on your hardware. Ethereum is a decentralized digital platform that runs on blockchain technology. It's most recognized for its own cryptocurrency, Ether, and smart contract capability. The Ethereum network's overall goal is to enable decentralized applications, dApps, such as non-fungible token marketplaces, NFTs. Transactions in these systems are open to the public and are not governed by a central authority. As a result, the Ethereum network requires a global system of computers to construct and validate each batch of transactions within the blockchain of the platform. This is where mining enters the picture. Miners, in essence, solve complex riddles using the computational power of dedicated hardware. This process not only keeps the network running, but also keeps it safe from hackers and other hostile attacks. Miners are compensated for their work by receiving a transaction fee, a fixed amount of Ether if a block is successfully validated. At some time in 2022, the Ethereum network is expected to switch to a different incentive mechanism known as Proof of Stake, POS. These are some of the steps to take in order to start your mining journey. First step is to pick your mining approach. There are currently 3 different ways to mine Ethereum. You have pool mining. Pool mining is the most straightforward way to mine Ether, especially if you don't have much hardware. That's because as more coins have entered circulation, mining Ethereum has become more difficult and time-consuming. Pool mining enables miners to pool their computer power in order to solve Ethereum blocks faster. As a result, the rewards are divided among the group based on the amount of power contributed, which is measured by hash power. Next, we have solo mining. Solo mining is more difficult and requires considerable hash power. You'd need a farm of complicated mining rigs powered by dozens of graphic cards to tackle riddles in a reasonable period of time by yourself. It's critical to think about the financial and spatial implications if you'd go through this route. You should consider aspects such as ventilation, noise, electrical costs, and physical space, in addition to the equipment cost, which may be hundreds if not tens of thousands of dollars. For these reasons, solo mining is generally only recommended for professional miners who are willing to make a significant capital investment. That said, this approach can be more profitable in the long run, as you would avoid fees and shared profits. And lastly, we have cloud mining in terms of entrance barriers. Cloud mining is usually the simplest mining method. You won't need to invest in a high-end machine or dedicate your personal computer to mining if you use this method. Instead, you hire another miner to mine coins for you for a price up front. They'll do the mining and you'll get the freshly minted coins. However, renting another miner's computer power introduces additional risks such as scams and fraud. It's likely that if you don't entrust this service to a trustworthy miner, they'll simply take your upfront payment and run. The next step is to open a crypto wallet. Because cryptocurrency is digital, there are no loose coins to worry about. However, you'll still require a place to store your holdings. This is when a cryptocurrency wallet comes in handy. Crypto wallets are similar to bank accounts in that they keep your currency. Wallets can be divided into 2 categories: hardware wallet and software wallets. Hardware wallets, often known as cold wallets, are physical devices that keep the private keys to your crypto accounts offline. They often resemble high-tech USBs, while software wallets are digital applications that store your cryptocurrency and are often accessed via an internet connection. Both public and private keys are available in these wallets. Both have advantages and disadvantages, but hardware wallets are generally regarded as safer because they aren't linked to an online platform. However, they are frequently more costly and inconvenient when compared to software wallets. Software wallets, on the other hand, are significantly more convenient because they can be accessed via a web browser or a mobile app. As a result, they're more vulnerable to hackers than an offline wallet. The next step is to make sure you have the right hardware and software. You'll need to set up your infrastructure before you can start mining Ether. Mining cryptocurrency necessitates a significant amount of computing power. So, if you want to mine Ether profitably, you'll need a powerful computer, sometimes known as a rig. Your system setup is mostly determined by the mining method you select. Consider joining a mining pool if you're a more casual miner. In that situation, you'll almost certainly need a computer or a dedicated mining rig with one or more graphics processing units, GPUs. You'll also need an Ethereum mining operating system, GPU drivers, which enable communication between your graphics card and operating system, and a wallet, which can be a physical device or digital program to store your rewards. On the other hand, if you want to be a hardcore miner and go solo, you'll need to set aside a significant amount of money for equipment, not to mention physical storage space. While GPU mining is still an option, you might want to think about a more expensive but perhaps more efficient alternative: application-specific integrated circuit (ASIC) mining. ASIC mining machines are made exclusively for mining cryptocurrency. As a result, they have a tendency to create greater processing power and solve blocks faster. There are, however, trade-offs. ASICs can cost tens of thousands of dollars, making them prohibitively expensive for the average miner. ASICs can also use a lot more power than GPUs, which could result in higher electricity bills. Furthermore, whereas GPUs can mine any coin, ASICs are tailored for a specific coin, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. The next step is to choose a mining pool. A mining pool is the simplest method to get into crypto mining unless you're ready to invest tens of thousands of dollars in equipment. However, wannabe miners should study their pool alternatives before moving further. Pool structure might differ in terms of pool size, hash rate, payments, and fees. Ethermine, for example, has over 400,000 active miners presently, while 2miners has over 80,000. This has an impact on the pool's block-solving pace and, as a result, on its payout. However, there are more than 2 pools to choose from, and Pool Watch can help you compare and monitor active Ethereum mining pools. The most profitable pools historically have been Ethermine, F2 Pool, Nano Pool, and Flex Pool. Before I state the last step, be sure to subscribe to this channel and get more Make Money Online content. The last step to take is to start reaping your rewards. It's finally time for your hard work, at least on your computer, to pay off. You can start passively collecting Ether once you set up your mining operation and create a wallet. If you're a part of a mining pool, you'll receive payments in periodic installments based on your group's block-solving success. Users can access web dashboards for most mining pools to evaluate mining results, such as efficiency and yield. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments section, and also check out my video on how to make $300,000 a year as a freelance writer.